Hi there, students. A ligature. Ligature, a countable noun. Okay, a ligature is a thread or maybe a wire that's used to tie something together. Let's see, I think the place that you might see this is in one of these crime movies where somebody's been tied up. And maybe they say something like there is evidence of marks from a ligature around the victim's wrists, or maybe clearly a ligature was used round the victim's neck. So it's something to tie something up with. Although this word is particularly used in medicine, a ligature, particularly to stop an artery from bleeding. But I guess if you cut yourself, then the doctor could use a ligature or thread to sew you back together, to sew the two edges shut. Okay, so a ligature, something that is used to tie something tightly. Yeah, there was no sign of the ligature that was used to strangle the victim. You can also use this word ligature in music. If you read sheet music, very often you'll see like a bar or a line at the top of two notes, and this is a ligature which tells the musician that these two notes should be played at the same time, okay, joining together. Or a ligature, for example, in printing, in old-fashioned printing, where they had to use individual blocks to make up a sheet before printing it. A ligature was two characters joined together into one block, so for example double F. And in writing we also use this word a ligature where two letters are joined together. If you look in phonetics, for example, the a sound, as in cat or had or hat, yeah. If you look at the phonetic transcription, this is like an A, E, but both letters are together. This is another example of a ligature. Okay, so a ligature, something used to tie something up. Particularly in medicine, yeah, especially used to tie up a bleeding artery. Okay, so let's see, something used to tie things up. Ligature, also the act of actually tying something up. Yeah, a ligature, a link, a bond, maybe a tie as well. And then in music, two notes that are going to be played together. So yes, the ligature of the artery was done with great skill by the surgeon. Okay, so ligature, I think you're only going to find it in these crime movies where the pathologist tells the police officer about the ligature used, or yeah, the thing used to tie someone up. Okay, so a ligature. This is quite a formal word. I would probably give it 7 in formality. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. Yeah. So semi-formal or above. And then as to origin, it comes from the Latin word ligatus, from the verb ligare, to bind or to tie. Okay, so a ligature. Notice it's a noun, there isn't a verb for this. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ligature.